9. Like, they don't have any data. They don't have any stats. They have like as many Twitter followers as we do.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. It's so annoying. Oh, it's an exchange. I think. Yeah, it's an exchange.
It's an exchange?
Yeah. It's not a chain, it's an exchange. And it's founded in February 2018. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's $550 million a day, and we should get listed on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Good times.
Yeah.
Times.
Yeah, man. Sorry, no sheep shirt. I'm lucky to be here. I'm happy to be here.
Oh, you're getting a sheep shirt. I'm surprised actually it hasn't been delivered. I ordered you one last week.
Oh my God. Awesome.
I was supposed to deliver today. I guess it got delayed.
That's awesome. I will wear it with great pride.
And I got you the dabbing.
That's true. I got the dabbing
Yeah,
sheepdog.
He has more sheep shirts, and he's gonna be giving out sheep shirts for Christmas.
It's good stuff, man. Good to be back. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Everything should be up. All right, guys, we are up. We're rolling.
Vengeance.
Yeah, it's kind of like clubby tonight, Joe.
It's the same channel. It just they changed it up. Very nice. And we got 12 people on, 10 people, 12 people on Twitter. Got the crowd going everywhere.
Right. Yo, right back at you.
All right. Yo, guys. All right, let's do this. This is time. We are all here again. Ooh, look at that new little setup in the middle here. That's kind of cool. Sean on the right-hand side, Sean Neal. Joe in the middle, and the stranger, Keith, is back. You are back.
I am back.
Back from don't know what.
Yeah, yeah. You don't want to know. But yeah, 2 weeks, man. Can't believe. So it's very good to be back in the chair.
And okay,
and you know, and is it coincidence that my return correlates to a rebound in the crypto markets? I don't think so, Joe. I don't think so.
You left, everything crashed.
I left you two. I left you two for a couple of weeks, and then look what happens. The whole market just tanks.
Mm-hmm. You and Michael Saylor control the market.
That's right. Little known fact.
And you look at the 4 hour though, it looks like it's been going down, but actually it's been going back up. We're back up to 58,000. Good news for everybody, and there's joy in the world again. The markets all are. Oh, it's green. When's the last time you saw green at 8 o'clock at night?
Yeah,
that's good news for everybody.
Almost 3,500 ETH. I love it.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, hold on. Was your Cardano? Was it green there, Joe? Hold on.
Oh, I saw Cardano. Look at that, 162. Oh God, just sold at $3. I'm not touching that again for a while. I'm here to make money, not be evangelical for one coin. I don't care who it is or who I like. I'm here to make money. It's like Dynamo. I'm here to make money. Ethereum doing well. It's holding strong. It's matching with Bitcoin. Matic coming on back. Here's your Solana, Dalis. Solana holding strong at 205. And how is our Dynamo doing today?
Yeah, Dynamo's good. Sheeb actually held up. Yep. Dynamo's had a beautiful run. I don't know if everybody keeping score out there, but the last couple of weeks have been beautiful across the board in terms of price action as well as trading volume. So yeah, good on a whole bunch of levels.
Yeah.
Keith, have you actually bought some Shiba yet?
No, I didn't buy Shiba. But again, coming into the stream, man, I was looking, on the 30-day, it's still one of the few that are up positively. So tip the hat, man. The Sheeb's holding strong.
Keep coaching.
And also too, I don't know if you guys saw, I'm seeing as we're so active in the play to earn space, Sandbox, that's held up rather well in the 14 and 30 day. Decentraland, I saw, ditto. Definitely relative strength in that patch.
Holding strong, Sean. You said it would never dip below 50. I thought it was going to, and it didn't.
Yeah.
Feel a little pride, or you don't want to speak too soon?
No, I don't. I did kind of kill my hopes for 100K, but I don't know. What we got? We got 30 days left here, so maybe. You never know what crypto's going to do. So.
Well, I know crypto can go up that quick, and here's another good sign that's going to shoot up. Your crypto read at 33.
Damn.
Yeah.
When it's super high or super low, that means it's going to go in the other direction.
I think a lot of this was related to the whole, coronavirus variant news, right? People overreacting to that, not really knowing what it means.
Yeah.
People said, "Oh, okay, getting out of the risky assets and stuff like that." Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, when the virus hit, with the market dropped and both crypto and stock market dropped, so everybody was expecting it again.
Yep.
And but it seems like our market is maturing a lot because it just pulls back a little bit now on big news.
Yeah.
Just doesn't do much.
And Sean, I mean, what percentage out there, not to hold you to a number, but I mean, there must be a certain portion of the market that they're sitting on big gains, so you want to lock in a little something for the, for your investors to say, we were in the crypto markets, we made our 80% or 90%, whatever it may be.
Yep.
Just taking some money off the table moving into year end, I don't think is, unusual.
Yeah. Depends on how they recognize capital gains, and obviously tax, authorities are different across the world, so it kind of depends. But yeah, United States-based stuff tends to dump a little bit, but you never know. Santa Claus rally, all those things.
I'm going to go. Let's jump into Dynamo real quick. And Dynamo Coin. Let's see how Dynamo Coin's doing. We never do that this early in the show, but we should jump in. I put in. I tried to buy on Safe Trade. I tried to buy some Dynamo. I just did it at market, and it's so hard to buy. I had at market, and I've been waiting. Just been waiting. That's a good sign.
Nice. The spread is pretty nice, actually. It looks like somebody took out the floor a little bit there just about 40 minutes ago or so. But, the spread has been coming in quite nicely. So we got a good depth of market. It used to be a little bit lopsided, and you'd see a 50%, right? The bid was 100 and the offer was 200. Now it's coming in quite a bit. So,
No. I'll tell you, this is a kind of a fun sign or a cool sign is right here. You see this right here? Somebody has an order or a sell order for one Bitcoin.
Nice.
So 3 Dynamo for 1 Bitcoin.
Dynamo. Yeah, 3 Dynamo for 1 Bitcoin.
Yeah.
We can all wish that would happen. That would be awesome.
I don't think that's
Dalis is out there pimping his helium. Even legitimate blockchain issues like helium tried to dip. Yep.
Yeah, I think that the story there is the volume, right? Look at 0.11 Bitcoin 24-hour volume, so that translates to $6,000 or $7,000. A lot going on, and most of it buys, obviously reflected in the line. And you look at a lot of these projects, they have this giant rise, and then they just flatline for months, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think we've shown that we're a legitimate project. We've been around for a long time. We've got slow, steady progress, and you can see that's reflected in the.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's very steady progress right there.
Yeah.
That's not shooting up and down. That's
Yep.
steady progress.
Yeah, and boys, I mean, it's all organic, right? I mean, the last time I checked, we weren't pouring tens of thousands of dollars into, the influencer of the moment or, this, that, or the other. It's been pretty head down and pedal with the actual real world use cases and projects around Dynamo Coin. So yeah, it's exciting stuff. Like you said, Sean, I think 7 out of the last 9 weeks, our trading volume has just been setting record upon record. So really good.
Good organic growth.
There you go.
Real world use cases, we are very shortly releasing the Discord text MMO, which will be play to earn. I've already connected the Dynamo wallet to Discord, so you can create a wallet just using Discord commands, and you can send coins. Obviously, you can have coins sent to you. You can mine to the wallet. It's the same wallet that's backing the web wallet. So people will be able to play this text-based MMO directly on Discord. If you hop into our Discord, you can see me. I'm testing it every day. It's pretty cool, pretty fun actually. It's kind of surprised.
You oh, what is this? Somebody just popped in.
Sean will gift 500 ETH to the community to participate. I said Joe will.
Obviously, that had to be who wrote that in there. Is that Carmina wrote that in there? I didn't write that.
I don't know.
You guys wrote that, or Carmina wrote it. I didn't write that.
I'm not sure what that ETH address is, but it ain't mine.
I
did not write that. Oh, should I? I should get in there and delete this then.
No, you should probably take the message out. Yeah.
Yeah, that's not.
Well, is this a streaming comment from YouTube?
It came up as Dynamo Coin. Usually it comes up with a name. I've never seen that before.
Yeah. Well, somebody could just copy the out.
All right, let me take this off the screen before somebody believes it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So this was not from us. This right here, this Dynamo Coin post, we're gonna go in there and delete it. That is from nobody. Do not send to that address. Please.
Don't send to the address with the big finger pointing to send it to that address.
I feel so honored to be hacked.
No, right?
No, right? You know, you've achieved something. You've arrived.
Yeah. People actually think it's legitimate enough to hack.
Once your program is like on a torrent, that means it's popular. Or when somebody's trying to scam you.
Yeah.
You've hit the next level, Sean.
We all have.
Yes.
We all have.
But yeah, if anybody sees this, please let's knock this down. Let's.
It must be on.
If anybody sees it on YouTube, I can't get over there right now. Tell everybody else it's a fake comment, and then I'll get it there and delete it out. I just can't delete it right now.
CDM, give us a comment.
Wow, pretty cool. All right.
So anyway, well, getting back to the real non-scammy development, Sean, back over to you.
Yeah, so we will be releasing that in the next couple of days. It's very, very close. I'm finishing up the testing tonight, and then put it out for a little beta, let people play it a little bit. People are already trying to play it already, even when it's in test. So I see some people trying to create accounts as I'm running the server up and down.
So what's the storyline? I haven't even seen it.
There's no real storyline. It's I randomly generated a map, a procedural map. It's all text based, right? Mm-hmm. So you just sort of are in this little town. Very simple MMO tropes of mining and chopping wood and then crafting those things into other things. The primary play loop is crafting or gathering or combat, and then selling that stuff for gold, and then changing that gold into Dynamo, and then vice versa. You can take Dynamo, and I'm going to make it so you can buy a house, and the house has certain benefits like additional storage or other kinds of stuff like that. So pretty simple game.
Cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
And let's talk about some of the other games we're getting ready to have on Dynamo also. Are we naming the names yet, or?
Well, the 2D one, I don't think so yet. I got to talk with the guy. He was flying today, but hopefully tomorrow. I think he just wants to make sure that he gets the trademark complete. So I'm going to ask him again tomorrow if we can release that. Yeah. Then we got two other people we're talking to. We've been talking to the one people for about a month. The other guy we just had a conversation with last week. Both look really promising. Yeah. So,
but he wants to re-engage this week already.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. A lot of irons in the fire.
And for anybody that doesn't hold Dynamo yet, very soon there's going to be a few different ways to earn Dynamo, and people are going to be trading.
Mm-hmm.
This is your last time to get in before it starts to move up.
I don't know, maybe too late already.
I know. I've been trying to get in. I've had a market order in there. It won't buy.
11:15. Yeah.
Yeah. Had it for a while now. All right. What do you think about this? This is pretty cool. I mean, even when the market dipped, you saw El Salvador buying up on the dip, and now MicroStrategy purchases another 702 Bitcoin, totaling over $400 million.
Average
price 59,000. Average price 59,000.
But isn't that how like it works, right? You want to buy low and sell high. So
Yeah.
I guess you're saying, you're surprised that they're moving in at 59. Like I think that's where the smart money is, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just impressed that even with the dip, he's still buying. He's already has. How much does he have? He's in
just wonder, I'm not sure what their end game is with this, because other than for a value, right? Bitcoin doesn't do anything. I don't. Of course, none of us can predict what Bitcoin may do in the future. Or yeah, it's
well, he totally believes it has a limitless. It could go up forever. Michael Saylor believes it can go up forever. They already have almost 4 billion.
Wow.
And an average of 29,000. Crazy.
Wow.
He's all in. He's going for broke. Vegas stock. Yeah.
Well, and that's that's a testament to the legitimacy of all of this, right? That somebody would put $500 million into this.
Mm-hmm.
Dallas has a counterintuitive strategy.
Buy high, sell low for the moon. The way.
This is the way.
That's what most people.
Yeah, while you were gone, Keith, Sean knew that I sold Cardano, and he was ready to buy it up. It was going to shoot up, so I sold it.
Oh, nice. As
soon as that news came out of them getting pulled off eToro, I'm like, I'm done. I'm done for now. Because unless they came out immediately with a DEX and all this stuff, it's, the Africa stuff hasn't made it pump.
Right.
And it really hasn't done much.
Yeah.
I think he's a good guy, and he has good goals at it, but 6 years, dude. You've done more with Dynamo in less than a year so far.
Yeah, you need a catalyst.
Yeah.
So we have the hacker back. I don't know who this
is. There's the funny thing. Once Cardano dips, and I just pulled up the Twitter timeline, of course, they're going to start putting in the news, different things in the news. Cardano may be the biggest winner of Mel's 1 billion ISPO. Roughly 400,000 participants staking.
Wow.
Yeah, no, they're coming out with a DeFi project, but
I mean, Joe, look, like right then and there, like that's already in the market. Like that news is already out there. Like that's not inside information, and it did not move the coin. You know what I mean?
A lot of people it just took too much time. Hopefully something does pop, because I would like to see the project work, but it's disappointing for now. What did it say? Restream bot, what's your 12-word recovery? Yeah.
Dale is just out there stirring the pot, man. Just stirring the pot.
Yeah, we couldn't do it the other day. Even Restream was down. I was trying to get up. We couldn't even get on Restream.
Ooh.
Let's see. Yeah.
And Joe, I thought of you too. We were talking about projects and coins, and I checked out BAT, which one of the members on the Dynamo Foundation board is a big advocate, and he likes it. But that's up big in the last 30 days. And I know you have firsthand experience trying it out, and the experience was a little meh. Is that right?
I don't know. I was on there, and the only thing I didn't like about it, maybe I could pull it up and show it on here. Let's see. Have you played around with it at all? With
No, I didn't have much interest in that. It seemed like a real scam to me. It just, they were just advertising like crazy, and it just didn't appeal to me at all. I didn't get what they were about.
I think the biggest problem I have with it is, great, it's supposed to be a solid, browser. But up here, can you see it? Is it pulling up? See if it'll pull up. It's telling us your rewards. You get rewarded from watching ads. I don't have time for that.
Yeah.
Auto contribute. You have to, if you pay other people that contribute things and you give people tips. There's nothing in there. And then it says right now, for me using it, I can make 13 cents a month.
Yeah. I know.
Easier buying the coin. And the worst part is it's disappointing. I can't pull it up. I'm clicking on the button right now. You guys can't see. And it says verify your wallet. It wants me to connect my wallet to Gemini. Wallet inside. I'm not connecting any of my accounts.
That's like the investigative journalist in you, Joe.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm skeptical
You
of
totally
everything.
sunk your teeth into that. Look, man, that'd be a crisp $1.50 at the end of the year. You get 12 months under the belt.
I know, right?
$1.50.
Well worth it.
$1.50.
Get hacked.
Coffee at Starbucks.
Yeah, exactly. Not even.
Get hacked or make 13 cents. You never know. Oh, I'm a mess over here. I'm trying to pull up other things. A little slow day. So Sean, you think it's going up from here? Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's going up from here. We're all in the clear.
Mm-hmm.
You said that the other day, and it shot down to 54. I gotta heckle him a little bit. Keith, no? Yes? Trying to.
Sorry, I was just reading the scammer. I was reading the scammer. The guy's name was Cruz, and I just got pulled in by all the blue hearts. I'm sorry. So I'm back. Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, look, 2021 has been a really powerful year for crypto. There's a lot of profits on the table. I'm sorry, any of these bigger players. I think people take a little bit of profit, at least lock in some gains. So it's not surprising that it's choppy now.
Yeah.
But again, what does that leave you? It leaves you 30 days. And candidly, unless you're day trading this, I think everybody has greater than a 30-day time horizon. And yeah, I mean, the long-term trajectory is great, but come on, guy, you're sitting on like 10x, 20x, 12x. Like, it might take some money off the table.
Mm-hmm.
I'm distracted over here. We're getting bombarded with all these spam. Apply to Dynamo, really need to take a risk, receive rewards, and extremely transfer.
All out of Facebook.
Yeah.
Boo, meta, boo.
Oh, is that what it? Oh, are we streaming on Facebook too?
It always goes to Dynamo's Facebook page.
Oh, so we're
yeah.
You know what? We gotta probably disable comments on Facebook then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is gonna happen. The more people start watching this, we're gonna get those. We just gotta block those people and make sure everybody knows they're wise enough to know that a half an Ethereum is not worth a Dynamo. I mean, if you're falling for that, we got bigger issues.
Yet.
Valid point, Keith. Valid point. Did a lot of blocking just now. BTC will be 100K by the end of the year, Sean. Quoted. Oh, he's throwing up your quote.
Yeah.
Quote up there. It's all right. Plan B said it too. It wasn't just Sean. So a lot of smart people have said it.
Yeah.
Michael Saylor has said it. Let's just put Sean's name in a better,
Very, very hard to find them
smart people.
Very hard. And frankly, I think if you hadn't seen this variant, the COVID variant, it may have been fine. I don't know.
I think at this point, everything's so manipulated. You can't predict the regular stock market, the traditional stock market. Why is this going to be any different?
No, even less so, right? Because there's so much shady stuff going on. Yeah.
I mean, especially in this one, have you ever seen so much optimistic news all the time? probably see more optimistic news than you see negative news.
Yeah. Yeah, we did have an avalanche of negative news in the in the spring into early summer, and now things are kind of chilled out.
Yeah. Let's go over to Trade the Chain. Let's see what they're saying, because this is all about trading the news. Bitcoin bullish right there, 63. Daily sentiment, long-term sentiment. So Ethereum bullish, Binance Coin, Solana. Here, let's see Cardano.
Very bullish on your Solana.
Yeah. A lot of talk of Solana flipping Ethereum.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
That's just marketing.
Doing it first.
Everybody tries to call their coin the Ethereum killer. Now Solana is trying to promote that whole, we're the Ethereum killer.
It sort of reminds me of this. World of Warcraft was like the king of the MMOs forever, right? And everybody was saying, "Oh, it's the WoW killer," right? It was always the game that was going to replace Warcraft. And the game that ended up being the WoW killer was Warcraft. They ended up just doing a horrible job of all the expansions and the updates that, they lost subscribers crazy. I think Ethereum is going to be the Ethereum killer. I think it's the same parallel, right? They've been the king of the hill for so long, and they haven't really innovated. They have one major update, which really did nothing other than piss off a bunch of miners. And I don't know. I think they've doomed themselves.
What do you think about this most recent update proposed by Vitalik? He's proposing a new Ethereum update. I'm going to look at that number. Have you seen about it?
3868 or something like that.
I think he made just a recent one where he's trying to, because he knows there's issues with the transaction fees. So trying to add another little update in there in between everything else. Report in the news.
I haven't heard about that.
I heard one of the YouTubers talking about it. Maybe he was talking fake news. Cough. That would suck.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Yeah.
It's interesting to hear an Ethereum miner shit talking Ethereum.
Yeah.
Your invested interest. That means Sean is honest. He's shit talking something he makes money on.
I'm very transparent about it. It could have been a great project. It was just, the management is terrible, right? They don't innovate.
Do you think, because it is totally centralized, do you think because, the U.S. government kind of grandfathered both Bitcoin and Ethereum in, kind of being untouched?
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
They don't really care now. They don't have to worry about what Cardano's about to face.
Yeah, they could always change their mind, right? I mean, the SEC can take enforcement action whenever they want. But yeah, I mean, they have a fairly good case with all the stuff that the Ripple people sort of dug up in all those depositions to say, hey, you got to pass. I mean, they got to pass then. That doesn't mean that there's a change of circumstances or legislation that happens to not give them pass anymore. I don't know.
But I mean, Cardano, that's what they're facing right now, is they're trying to get them for being centralized because of all the staking. Was it 80% of Cardano is staked?
Well, that's right. Staking is a whole different thing because that is really a contract, and it definitely is centralized and an agreement, right? You give me this and I'll give you this back. That's a contract. So I don't know how they and I said that a year ago. I said ETH proof of stake is very clearly a security. So.
But they got around the rule by being grandfathered in. There are only two cryptocurrencies,
As a proof of work chain, right? I mean, when they move to proof of stake, I think they're going to have a lot of problems.
Oh, see, I was under the understanding that they're kind of like grandfathered in and are untouchable, like they're the two untouchables.
No, I think if they change the fundamentals, right? It's basically a loan, right? That's really what it is. You put money in and you get interest out.
Yeah.
You have to be careful with that. That's why I think if you use a hybrid with proof of work, proof of stake, you're much safer, much better off.
Everybody's so quiet today. Keith, you're so quiet. You've got back. Jump in.
I've been in, man. The water's warm.
Cardano mistake. Everybody's gonna rip on me forever about this. It will come back. I don't know.
Solana, I agree with the comment about Solana, and you'll see there are a lot of these play to earn projects and NFT based projects coming on Solana now. The problem is, the adoption of the wallet. I don't know if they can get traction and they can take away, the MetaMask and Trust Wallet monopoly, if you will. They might. I don't know. I'm following a couple of play to earn games that are based on Solana.
Oh, okay. Still going at me.
Dude, you got an emoji. You got a steak emoji. That's awesome.
I have to get a Cardano shirt now.
Totally right. Yeah, I should get you.
Shirt.
I'm gonna note that.
Yes,
Cardano shirt for Joe.
But you don't have to be rich to play on Binance either, right? I mean, I routinely transact for 3 cents, 3-4 cents on Binance. So
you just got to be able to get Binance access to it to even buy it.
Yeah, right. That's the problem for U.S. citizens.
Yeah, I got to bounce around to 2 different things just to get to it. I just don't even waste my time.
A little bit of friction.
Yeah. Do you think there'll be a time where it's going to be easier to get around and buy some of these coins?
No, I don't think that Binance would ever agree to be listed and regulated and all that stuff. They're just.
I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying in general, like if you're going to buy one of these shit coins or meme coins, or you have to bounce around and you have to go through MetaMask. You got to buy Coinbase, then go to MetaMask and this and that just to buy a coin.
No, I don't think it would necessarily get any easier. I think that's part of the crypto experience, right? That's part of what makes this different than going to chase.com and buying 100 shares of IBM, right? This is a technology experiment. So no, I don't think so. And frankly, I think it's good. I mean, it's raising the bar on on who can get experience risk assets. So I think it's fine. Yeah.
I'll take the other side of that one, Sean. I think anytime that there's a need in the marketplace, there's going to be somebody out there trying to fill that need and make a profit doing it. So,
well, but then they're going to get regulated to hell, right? Like that's the problem.
Yeah, maybe
depends on what country they're doing it from, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there's still a lot of exchanges you can go out there on, and you don't even need to do KYC.
Yeah.
Don't know if your coins will be there afterwards, but
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, really, that's part of the beauty of crypto, right? That it's completely democratized, exchange of value. So, yeah, people may just continue to skirt and go to Seychelles or whatever.
I think the only guy more bullish on Bitcoin than Michael Saylor is the El Salvadorian president. So you can end up buying up more Bitcoin. This guy is still buying it, and look at that.
Yeah.
Either gonna help his country move up in the ranks in the world, or he's gonna be needs to go into hiding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I love how all the the central bankers come out and criticize him, right? It's like it's just so obvious what they're doing. Yeah, of course England is concerned about it because it's a threat to their monopoly.
Yeah, they want El Salvador to stay a third world country.
Yeah.
Just curious that the BOE would come out and make some statement. It's just like, why hasn't it even on their radar?
Yeah.
Well, you saw Hillary Clinton. Where was it? And she's talking about that. She's like, she almost tries to downplay. These people like to have fun buying these little coins, these crypto coins. But then she goes into, but this could end up unstabilizing countries and, hurting the U.S. dollar. But she tries to make fun of it. People playing and buying these little coins and having fun trading coins. She knows it's coming.
Yep.
And as Americans, it's not being anti-American to say you know, decentralization is good.
One
No?
of the founding principles of this country, right?
Yeah.
50 states that are completely autonomous, right? I mean, that's sort of a deal.
But the central federal government probably has a different opinion on that.
A little different opinion.
They like to control other countries with, you know, because the U.S. dollar is powerful.
Yep.
They don't want that power to go away. I think everybody's kind of. I got up at 3:30 in the morning.
Nice.
You look good for 3:30, Joe.
I'm just in a daze.
You got that 3:30 shadow.
Yeah, you're looking good for 3:30.
Amazon facility.
Mm.
That thing is massive. Yep.
They just built one about 3 or 4 miles from me here. They took a whole rail yard, and it's like a 5-story. I don't know. It's 4 million square feet. It's insane.
Yeah.
It's built literally like on top of all these train tracks that come in. So like all these train tracks are just coming into the building.
Wow.
Yeah. It's,
Wow.
Yeah.
For the one I was in today in Trenton, it is 10 football fields, and it's just 4 floors straight up. And they send 1 million packages a day.
Yeah.
Wow.
1 million a day.
Logistics management.
Yep. It was insane. And I was just in a FedEx facility, and it was like it was dead. It was a FedEx shipping facility, almost just as big, and it was dead compared to that. And most of the packages you see in FedEx were Amazon packages moving through.
Oh, wow. I'm surprised because I hear people are shipping like a lot of USB sticks FedEx lately.
That's an unconfirmed rumor. That's an unconfirmed rumor. I mean, don't believe the internet there, Sean. Don't be so gullible.
Running around the state of New Jersey and New York trying to find those packages.
Crazier things have happened.
Just those envelopes. There's a shortage of those envelopes. Probably get them and sell them on eBay.
Probably could make a profit at it.
Good.
All right. Well, nothing's changed so far. We're still around 57. We're 40 minutes in. Joe's in a daze.
Yeah, man.
Guys,
all right, you get some melatonin.
Yeah.
I don't need melatonin. I just need to shut off the lights. I'll be unconscious in 5 minutes.
Cool. Well, it's great to be back. Great to see you, gents. Great to see the Dynamo community. Dallas, when the shirt arrives, man, it'll be on.
Wear that Shiba shirt.
Wednesday we can do a I can stream, right? I can use we did that before. I use OBS to stream, so I can stream the Discord MMO.
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah, it'd be fun.
But also with Restream now on your menu, both of you, if you look at the bottom of your menu, you can share your screen. You can share your screen at the same time. They've added that stuff.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
So either way you want to do it.
Yeah. Well, I probably want to just use OBS to capture like a piece of the screen because I have like all my chats and everything else. I'll just segment out the piece that's the Discord piece. It was interesting though because I was sitting at the movie theater waiting for my daughter to come out a little bit earlier, and I hopped on Discord on my phone, and because it's the same thing and it's so simple because it's all text based, like I could play it there too. It was kind of interesting, that I was able to just sit there and mine a couple of ores and craft a couple of swords and stuff
so
like
that. So
that.
if I go inside the Discord, I can start playing it.
It's the although right now I have the server up and down as I'm doing the development. But it's the very last channel. It says Isle of Trials and it says Castle Courtyard Production. It's the very last channel in there.
Okay.
So you'll see the whole history of what I've been working on for the last couple of weeks.
Excellent.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, we will do that on Wednesday, guys. Wednesday, we will do a live stream of it. So, all right.